Basic usage of didn't mean to. I didn't mean to plus verb. The word didn't is a contraction of the words did not. When using it in a sentence with the words mean to, you are informing someone that you did something you regret or are sorry for. This could have been a physical, mental or verbal action. Here are some examples. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to call you so late. I didn't mean to lie about what happened. I didn't mean to embarrass you. I didn't mean to stay out so late. I did not mean to say those things. I did not mean to leave you out. I did not mean to make you confused. I did not mean to think you were involved. I did not mean to cause trouble.